Let's learn some homophones. Homophones are words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spellings and different meanings. This word today is a new one for me, installation. And that means the slow introduction of liquids, like in a medical context, or ideas and values. That is spelled with an I, installation. I was familiar with the word installation, which means setting up something like software. So these words are pronounced exactly the same way, and the only spelling difference is the I that we are going to use in the more, I'm going to call it medical context, and the A for the more tech option. Okay, so to say these words correctly, we are going to stress syllable number 3, the lay. So we're going to start with in, like the word in. Then the next syllable has the schwa, the sound. We're going to stress the lay, and then we're going to unstress the shun. That's the schwa again, but I wrote it with the short U. So let's say installation, 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 installation. Let's really practice that syllable stress here. Insta is going to be super quick. Insta, insta, insta. Make the lay syllable longer, lay, and then quick shun. Installation, 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 installation. And now for a sentence. The installation of the water filter was quick, but the installation of healthy hydration habits took a lot longer. Give it a try. I hope you noticed the difference. Thank you for being here all the time for my 2 for Tuesday homophone lessons. If you like this, I post one every Tuesday, and you can find those on my homepage at Tarle Speech. Look down at all of the playlists and you will see the 2 for Tuesday. If you need more help, I also have pronunciation guides available on Google Play, Teachers Pay Teachers, and the iTunes Store. Thanks so much, everyone. Have an amazing day.